Hey guys, just want to make a short video for you on prepositions since that's what we're diving into this week. Continuing to analyze each part of speech. I know we went through about 4 or 5 of them already. Today we're going to take a deeper look at prepositions. Okay, here's a short video for you. Although we're meeting live with Zoom, to go back and reference it. Okay, this PowerPoint will always be on here for you. So at any time in the future, if you need to reference it, um, go ahead and take a look at this video. Stop and start at any time to help you complete your assignment for today. Okay, so I'm going to keep it short and we're just going to dive into prepositions, where they're located in sentences, and how the part of speech is used properly. Okay, here is our definition that we had on our parts of speech test. Okay, a preposition is a part of speech that shows a relationship between two things. Okay, I know we highlight a lot the location part of it. Okay, we use the cabinet in my class. A lot of different students use a tree as an example. Okay, but for the cabinet in my class, you can put something on the cabinet, you can put something in the cabinet, okay, or you can put something under the cabinet. Okay, anything that deals with location that you can do to the cabinet will be a preposition in the sentence. But also, it's not simply just location. It also describes the timing or the direction. Okay, and you see these examples here for you. Before, after, and during would describe the timing of something. Okay, I brushed my teeth before I went to work. Okay, I went to basketball practice after school. Okay, describing the timing. Or we ate pizza for lunch during school. Okay, all of that is describing the timing and the relationship between two things. Okay, and then also you have the direction. Your examples are from, toward, and to, all describing the direction. All right. Here we go. Here we have some examples for you. The mouse is on the table. We notice that on is highlighted. The two things that it is showing the relationship between are mouse. Let's see if my mouse pops up. A little play on words for you there. So mouse in the sentence and table, describing the relationship. Where is the mouse? The mouse is on the table. Okay, that goes back to describe the location of the mouse. Okay, the mouse is on the table. The relationship between one is on the other, because the mouse is on the table. Okay, on is a preposition. Alrighty. Example number 2. The mouse is under the table, still showing the relationship between the mouse and the table. Okay, and where is the mouse? The mouse is under the table. Once again, describing that location piece, under. All right, and the relationship one is under the other. That makes under a preposition. Okay, here is a list of prepositions. See if I can fit it on my screen better for you. There we go. Okay, at any time you can go back, take a picture, take a screenshot. I'm also going to provide you with an entire list of common prepositions. Okay, that will be also located in the Schoology folder for today's assignment as well, so you can refer to that at any time. Okay, but here is a general list of all the prepositions that we most commonly use, and that you most commonly see in sentences in 7th grade language arts or throughout your reading. And here's the list, just continued again. All right, now it's a little bit of practice for you. Which word is a preposition in the sentence below? The pizza in the oven is mine. Okay, here's your choices to choose from down here. This will be very similar to your assignment today. Okay, if I go back and look at my list of prepositions, okay, I don't see the word pizza in there. I don't see the word oven, or I don't see mine, but I do see the word in right here. Okay, where is the pizza? The pizza is in the oven, describing the relationship between pizza and oven. It is in there, describing location for this particular one. Okay, so in would be your preposition. Woohoo! Got it right. If you got it wrong, go back and click here again. That's all the PowerPoint is allowing you to do. So, and you'll have access to the PowerPoint so you can practice if you would like. Okay. Another one. Once again, identifying the preposition. The girl by the door is my sister. Okay, I'm trying to find a relationship between girl and door. Okay, if I go back and look at my list of prepositions, I don't see the word girl, I don't see the word door, but I do see up here the word by. Let's see if that's describing the relationship in my example. Girl and door, the girl is by the door. Okay, by is one of my options, therefore it is my preposition in the sentence. And last but not least, we're going to take a look at this sentence. The runners raced around the track. Okay, so we're taking a look at the relationship between the track and where the runners are racing. And where did they do that? They did that around the track. Okay, they didn't do it in the track or on the track, but they did it around the track. Okay, we know runners would be our noun. The is our article. Track is another noun. It's a person, place, or thing. So around must be my preposition. All right. And bingo. There's a short little video for you guys to help you guys practice prepositions. Once again, you'll have access to this PowerPoint. Use the video and the PowerPoint to help complete your assignment today. Okay, this is Mr. Gavin logging out. See you guys next time.